What's up, beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking down this hair. I've had my hair in a protector style for 2 weeks now, and tomorrow is actually supposed to make it 2 weeks on the dot, but I cannot wait to take it out because I'm beginning to feel itchy and so uncomfortable. So I'm just going to take this out, take this down, and I'm going to go ahead and trim my hair. I've been wanting to trim my hair for the longest time. I have not gotten myself to the place that I'm comfortable enough to do it, but now I think I am comfortable enough to trim my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and trim my hair. Stay tuned, guys. You're definitely going to enjoy this video. So let's go. Okay. Basically, what you want to do is to make sure that you are not cutting the ends of the hair. This is Brazilian wool and it was used to wrap my hair. This is like literally the African threading, but I used Brazilian wool to do it. So you have to make sure that you do not cut the ends of your hair, depending on the length of your hair. And if you want to still use the Brazilian wool again, I think I would want to use it again. Maybe I'll have to wash it before I use it again, but I would definitely, like to use this again. So you can see the process is actually pretty easy. You just guide your hair and make sure that it's coming out of the wrap, and then you're going to find your hair that was plaited down with some Brazilian wool, and you just lose the plait or the weave and take the Brazilian wool out of your hair. So what I did before this was installed was I put a lot of conditioner on my hair, conditioner and water, before it was put into this protective hairstyle. So if you look at my hair, yes, you're going to observe the dirt from like the gunk, which is like pretty normal, and then you're going to observe that my hair is not as drying. It still feels, like it was moisturized before. It's not completely dry. And I also did finger detangled my hair and detangled my hair with a comb before it was installed into this African threading. And so you're also going to observe that it isn't like tangled. You can see the only place that seems a little bit tangled is the tips of my hair. So I'm going to do justice to that, and since I'm going to be trimming off the dead hair from my hair, I'm going to be taking all that out. So I'm going to demonstrate again. What you need to do is to hold this thread down, untie it, and you start unwinding until you're done. So as always, I'm going to do the rest off camera so that I don't stress you guys, and I'm going to come back to show you guys how I trim my hair. Alright guys, so I'm done taking out this Brazilian wool on my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. I felt that it was going to be more stretched than it's looking right now, but boy, I was wrong. So this is just currently what my hair is looking like, and I'm going to trim it after washing it. So guys, so this is basically what this video is going to be about. Nothing much. My hair is itching me like bad, and I have like so much gunk on my scalp. I need to wash my hair, and this is just 2 weeks of protective hairstyle, and I have all that gunk in my hair, which means if I took it for longer, maybe I would have had sore scalp or something. So I'm trying not to scratch so much, you know. I'm trying to just like massage my hair and see if that would help with the itching, but I need to wash it ASAP. I need to wash it ASAP. I'm going to probably do another video where I'm going to wash the hair and then stretch it before I go ahead to trim it, because I can't trim it in this stage right now. I'm going to do a very bad job if I do that. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, for commenting, for sharing. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye for now.